Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program that determines the sign of the product of three numbers. We'll use conditional statements to analyze the combination of positive and negative values. This is a great exercise to practice logical thinking with if-else structures. Let's get started. Given three numbers, we want to determine whether their product is positive or negative. We'll analyze the signs of the numbers and display the results accordingly. This is useful in understanding how signs interact in multiplication. Let's look at the JavaScript code. We assign values to x, y, and z. Then, we use a series of if-else conditions to determine the sign based on the combination of positive and negative numbers. Finally, we display the sign using alert or console log. This logic ensures we check all possible combinations. We evaluate the combination of signs step by step. If all numbers are positive, the sign is clearly a positive, a plus. If all are negative, the sign is negative or minus. For mixed cases, like two negatives and one positive, the product is positive. Otherwise, the product is negative. Let's explore some examples. If you have one negative like 3, minus 7, and 2, the sign is negative. Three negatives also yield a negative product. But with two negatives like 4, minus 1, and minus 3, the product is positive. This helps reinforce our understanding of sign rules. Determining the sign of a product is useful in math, finance, and physics simulations. It is also common in interview questions, testing logic, and conditionals. This simple logic forms the basis for many algorithms and systems. Let's wrap it up with a summary. We've built a JavaScript program to find the sign of the product of these three numbers. Using conditional statements, we've checked all possible cases and displayed the results. This is a great way to practice logical thinking and if-else branching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.